Hello everybody. Hey, I want you to take 10 minutes and grab yourself a cup of coffee here and watch this video. Hopefully you can find something entertaining, informational, and maybe enlightening. Yeah, as the title said, we're going to talk Jeeps today. I already started on this, but I started thinking, I ought to maybe show you guys how to do this. Some of you have Jeeps, never done this. I think my brother Blood's not done it yet. And I got him a filter like that. I got two of them give to me by my nephew. Works at a parts house. They ordered them. They didn't need them. And they aren't a Dodge dealership or a Jeep dealership. So they said, just toss them out. We don't need them. And instead of tossing them out, he gave them to me. Now this is a Jeep Wrangler we're working on. Brother Blood is a Jeep Wrangler. Now what I'm doing, it's an air filter. I've already pulled the air filter out of the air box. It goes right there. I'll show you how it goes in a minute. But how you get it out is you got these little clips. Just clip that one off. Clip that one off. And then there's one down in there, if you can see it. Let me get a light on it. Down right there, you can see that one. Where's it at? There, right there. The clip there. And then there's a clip right there. So you take them 4 clips loose. Then you got to loosen that up. And I also took this screw out and that screw out. Or bolt, I should say. Now, these are, what are they? The bolts are a 10. Imagine that. Very seldom do you use a 10. Anyway, and then the clamps are, I think this is 5/16 for the clamp. So I loosened that one all the way loose, took them 2 out, and I was able to pry that up. Then I was able to get this one out. And it ain't terribly bad, but it's bad enough. Ben's got a new one sitting right here. You got some bugs in it. This is the dirt side come through here. This is the clean side. So we're going to stick in the other filter right now. And let's see what she looks like. It's AC Delco. Can't be bad. I really appreciate this, Christopher. And I'm sure Brother Blood is going to appreciate it also. Let's see what we can see if it's got the right one. He didn't know for sure if it fit. Looks like the right one to me. Yep. It's even got the same tab. That tab, that tab. So it goes this way. We're going to drop that in there. And then button her up. Let's see if we can get it in there with you watching. Probably not. It's going to take 2 hands. Nope. I'm going to lift this up and then just shove that down in there. Can't do that with 1 hand. Okay. Newsflash. When I lifted that up, it came all the way out of there. And then I looked down in there and I went, there's some stuff in there. I'm going to grab the vacuum. I'm going to clean that out. Then we're just going to stick this back, put the filter in. Then we can stick this piece right back on there into that tube that I loosened up. And then put up the little pinchers. You can see them there now easy. I didn't know how easy this would come up, but it's real easy. So, boom. I'm going to get a vacuum and clean that out. Then we'll put her together. Okay, she's cleaned out. Well, this is made in China. Wouldn't you know it? Well, what it is the writing goes down. There's another one there. That one ain't made in China. It's Delco. Okay. Anyway, just as good a quality it feels like. But anyway, the writing goes down. I'm going to slip that right in the hole now. Probably might be able to do that and let you see. Let's see. We're going to just try to get that dropped right down in there. Maybe. If I can get this to hold up long enough. Hang on, hang on. I know, you're shooting up in the air, you ain't seeing nothing. Okay, I'm gonna drop that down in there like that. Perfect. Perfect fit, that's the way that goes. Now we're gonna slide this around. This is definitely gonna be a 2-hander to put that back on. So your air comes in right here, goes up, goes through there, then goes into your motor. So that's how that works. Let's button her up here. I gotta put you down again. Yeah, that was dirty, full of bugs. Trash is where that goes, right over there. Well, there used to be a trash can there. Okay, so that's dropped in. Nothing's tightened up yet. So these little things, clips here, they just go like that. That's how you do that. I don't know how I'm going to get to those. They're going to be rough, but I'll get to them. We'll, maybe I'll have to put them in first. I don't know. Snap this one up here, just like that. We got one down here. See if we can reach this one. I'm glad I ain't got a jacked up Jeep. Okay. Okay, yep, can't do that with one hand. Hang on. Well, they're all snapped in. I haven't tightened that up yet. They're all snapped easy. That one snapped easy. That one snapped easy. That one's a little difficult. This one down here, that was a bear cat right there. Wait a minute, let me get you in focus here. Where's it at? Where's it at? Right there. There it is. See if we can get it focused right there. Probably not, because anyway, it's right there. Oh my, look! I had to use that tool. Guess what, guys? If you don't have this tool, change your air filter on here, then you have to buy a new tool. Shucks. You know how I feel about that. Yeah, I love buying new tools. All right, now I banged my head a couple times into that bracket up there. Let's see. What? Let's tighten up. Let's tighten up the clamp here first. I just use this little thing because it's not going to give it too much torque. Get it on there. Good. Okay, that's tightened. Now we got to drop these two screws back in here. Get that started a little. Another little screw. Drop it in here like that. Get the wink-a-my-dinger. There's our wink-a-my-dinger. Good enough. Okay, that's an air filter change on a Jeep Wrangler 2013, I believe that is. Newest rig we got. But again, once again, it's got a lot of miles. A lot of miles. 120,000, I think. And we don't drive it, but maybe 1,000 a year. So we bought it with a lot of miles. That's the only way I can afford to buy stuff. That one's got 200,000, about 100 on that one, 100 and something on that one. And they're 07s, them two. They're old. And that's okay. They still get us where we want to go. I can't afford to buy a new rig. Let's see, something clipped off of here. I think we got the trickle charger on this because I think the battery's about due for a new one. Let's see. And it wouldn't start the other day, so we're trickling it. Get it up there. So we're keeping the trickle charger on it. If it goes out, we'll pull that one out and put a new one in, but that's spendy, so I don't want to do it if I don't have to. I mean, you know, if it sits a long time, it goes dead. Otherwise, it's okay. So anyway, that's that. Hope that helped you guys out. If you got a Wrangler and you want to change your own filter and save yourself a lot of money. Is that trash can over there? I know there used to be one right there. Oh. Anyway, guys, hope this helped you out some.
I hope you liked the video, guys. If you subscribe to my channel by clicking the little button here, you're going to be notified of upcoming videos. We have lots to look at, all kinds of content from this channel. Subscribing it will help us greatly.